So what do we got there? Jeremy's CLX8 or CLX10?
CLX8.
CLX8.
I don't have to bust out the big boy yet.
Yeah, just a small boy. That thing is bright. Look at that.
It's still big boy, but you know.
It's a little big boy. Simple camera setup. Today we're shooting with the X-T3 Fujifilm. All right. So we're setting up the turkey table right now. This is real food. It's amazing right here. We got a chef that made this, plated it for us. We accented it with two lights, tube lights. We got a red one on top here, gives it some color. Then we got another one over here. This one gives us this light arc on the bottom. Really points out and accentuates the bottom. Then of course we got our Stella CL10 right here. A spotlight pointing right at our bottle right there. And then we got a nice softbox here. So we got the CL8 right here, and the CL10 behind the softbox. The CL8 points right at the bottle. So we got two lights really focused on the bottle. We got this tube light here that gives us this curvature, and then we got that spotlight just blasting light on that so we can focus on the bottle. Look at that food. And there's Jeremy behind the camera, ready to shoot. Whoa, we nailed it. Good job, Christoph. Look at that shot. That's the money shot.